Manchester United dream of lending £103 million Ronaldo replacement berth. Till Fabrizio Romano confirmed January planned. Fabrizio Romano explained why Manchester United can't sign an idol Cristiano Ronaldo successor in January, told the backup, an encouraging claim about the winter window plans. Despite the World Cup in Qatar taking center stage, major news has been breaking back in England. Over at Old Trafford, the Glazer family are open to selling, and the early runners and riders to secure a takeover include Apple, Amazon, Sir Jim Ratcliffe, and Dubai. Closer to the field, Ronaldo outfit second stint at Manchester United as concluded by mutual consent. The 37-year-old, now officially a free agent and aware who will move next, promises to be one of the big stars in the coming weeks. But of greater relevance to Manchester United fans is who the club will sign to fill the void. With the heavily condensed fixture list coming up for Christmas, United have probably decided in January edition in record to ensure Erik doesn't look for firepower. A stunning move for West Kylian Mbappe has been floated. A summer deal rather than a January swoop would have a greater chance of success. So, the Bureau stress United will try their hand in January nonetheless. What more, PSV are reportedly eyeing up a replacement who previously moved for £113 million. The Mirror claimed a more realistic target is Napoli Victor Osimhen. PSV and Hoven's Cody Gakpo has also been heavily linked as a Borussia Mönchengladbach Marcus Thuram. Today's update from Fabrizio Romano concerns Osimhen, and it makes a grim reading for United fans. Firstly, Romano did echo the report that have claimed United are looking for a direct Ronaldo replacement in January and are not content to wait until season's end, and will be welcome news to Ten Hag indeed. However, the transfer bureau outlined why the 23-year-old Osimhen won't be joining the Red Devil in the next window. We know Manchester United are likely to be in the market for a attacking player to replace Cristiano Ronaldo, but I am afraid I wouldn't get too excited about links with Victor Osimhen, wrote Romano for Kilgo's side. Napoli said that won't sell Osimhen or any other player in January. The price tag in summer was €120 million, approx. £103 million, and nothing happened. Now they are doing great in Serie A and Champions League, so there are no plans to sell him in January at all. Osimhen is on all actions center forward who is known for his tireless work rate without the ball. This is not to say he lacks in product and precision. However, with 9 goals and 3 assists, rugged in just 11 Serie A matches this season, Osimhen is Napoli's main up top and has helped fire them to an 8-point lead in Serie A. They also have Champions League something to look forward to after Christmas, making a January sale almost unthinkable. While a move for the Nigerian international could be explored in a later window, it appears United will have to look elsewhere in January.